So as you can see, it bent the main post out. So what we're going to do with this is I'm going to be extending this piece out a little bit farther, weld this on at an angle. So what that will do, actually it's going to be this direction. This will be extended out, this will be angled this direction. What that's going to do is going to put this post at an angle coming down, so the foot is closer to the pole that I am pulling. And also what it will do on the top end up here on the winch, it's going to move this winch backwards, so the line will be pulling straighter down to the foot. So that's what I'm going to do to fix this, and we'll do that and we'll test again. Okay, so this one's take 2. This is the fence post in around this little apple tree that bent my prototype. Okay, so here we go, and I've got my remote here and we're going to give it a try. I have this post angled a little bit towards the tractor now, so get a little bit more of a direct pull. And this one is a really tough post. And here it comes. Perfect. Okay, so I've removed all of the fence from the post, and I'm going to yank all these posts out with our new post puller. And I want to show you an improvement though that I made before I do that. I noticed that it was close to the stall rating, I believe, when I did a direct line pull on some of these really tough to move posts. So anyway, what I did, you could go with a bigger winch. This is a 2500. You could go up to maybe a 3500 or something like that. But an easier way to do this is by putting a pulley block on like this. So it's making a dual line. By doing that, you're about doubling your pull rate of the winch. So I'm going to back this up, put this camera up on a tripod. I will speed it up so not to bore you, but we'll get these all yanked out. Okay, and done. The fence posts are all pulled out. You can see the handy dandy little fence puller worked great. And like I mentioned before, we will, if someone's interested, we can put detailed plans up or do another video on building one of these. It worked absolutely fantastic, especially once we put the pulley block in, so we got twice the pull. There was no problem at all pulling them out. Stay tuned for our next Repair Daily. If you will, please, if you like this type of information, like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next video.